Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install um, skins for Minecraft. So let us get started. So first what you're going to do is go to this site, www.minecraftskins.com. After you have that, you can just go here and search for skin or search it up yourself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for myself. Go here, Peter Griffin. Just wait for it to load. There's a lot of skins in this site, so wait. I think I typed that wrong. Yeah. Oh, I forgot the I. Okay. So it's kind of laggy right now because Peter. Just search it up. Let it load. And there you have it. Oh yeah, I forgot the Spider-Man. Like you can see some skins. A lot of them Spider-Man. Let's do this one, I guess. Wait for it to load. As you can see, Peter Parker, Tobey Maguire, Peter Old Blue Cruise Owner, Star-Lord, Peter Q, Spider-Man 2099 Edit, Ghostbusters, Peter Venkman. Like there's a lot of skins. Wait for it to load. Then you'll get this page, where you can see your character right here. It should come right now. I'm sorry if it's kind of slow. It's just because I have too many things in the background. So what you're going to, you can edit the skin if you want to change something, or what you can do is click download. It will load. Wait for it to load. Normally there should also be pop-up ads in this in the site, like ads right here, ads right here, ads up here, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, there should be ads everywhere. So you're going to wait for it. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. I think because it's not. Wait, I'm going to pause the video until it downloads and I'll continue. So as you can see, it downloaded. So now that you have it downloaded, what you're going to do is go to Minecraft, as you can see, and then click new skin. It should open your full, no, first it will open this, and then you can choose between those two. Change the name. I'm going to name it Peter, of course, and then go to your folders, working, and then there should be your image. Okay, there you have it. It's looking at me, I think. Yes. So now that you have your skin, just save, and then it should save. And that's how you can have a skin in Minecraft without paying something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.